Hey, it's me. I am awake and it's nice to see all of you. I really am awake right now. I can barely get up. Well, maybe I can feel like maybe I can try and get up right now. Let's see. No, I can't. I'd rather just stay in all day or something. Anyways, it's nice to see all of you. It's not nice to see this all day. Ugh. I'm gonna go brush my teeth. Alright, so I just got done brushing my teeth. I'm not gonna show it to you, but I'm just gonna say I did brush my teeth. And I'm gonna finish an animation soon. I don't know when will I get that done. I got these done, but I don't know if I will get that done. All I'm trying to do is just find some time to do something. I'm supposed to talk with this girl. Don't know if she I did kind of make her angry for not talking to her. Well, I don't know if she's a clingy girl or just a girl who needs someone. Anyways, she's asleep now because she lives in a different country as me. She lives in a different country. She lives nowhere near me. I mean, I talk to her when she's awake. Well, I try to talk to her. She's awake when it's night. It's day where she is, and night where I am. So, I tried to find the time to talk to her. It's just not the right time to talk to her. Usually, when you find the time to talk to her, it's usually the time you have to go to bed.
5552471. 5552471. 5552471. Yeah, come out to that. Got my grandma on speed dial. Call it Instagram. Yo, mom, can I go to? Man, that like 6. She gets to go anywhere. They got Peach Martle. Let's go. She can ask Yoshi. Beach. Hey, I didn't make this. Sugar, water, mix, like this, ooh.
Oh.
You really want to try those mini cupcakes? Okay.
This right here is pasta. So is it good? Oh. Well, it's starting to rot, but I guess I better eat it before another minute passes. Let's do this. But first, I need to wash the plate. Just look at the plate. Let's see, maybe you can see it under the light. Look at this. There's stains. Someone did not wash this properly, so I'm gonna do it. Okay. People, guess what? Let me just show you. We're out of pasta sauce. That means I'm gonna be eating dry pasta. I don't like to eat dry pasta. but I have to anyway. Oh well. Not that it's off. It's just not the same without sauce. Guess what? Someone decided to come in and crash the party or something. No, don't you be scared of me. There's nothing to be afraid of when it comes to me. And you right there are the mother of this little cat. All right, time to feed them. These are stray cats. Oh. Okay. Oh look, 2 more. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Alright, here we go. Got a hold of my soul. I need to set this camera up first. Okay, there we go. Yo, come on. You have no reason to be afraid of me. I might be a scary person, but not a bad person. Well, cat food's out. Gonna have to get more later. So anyways, I'm finally done with my boring pasta. It's all gone. It tasted almost bad too. I'm so glad I ate it before its expiration date. Oh, you want me to wash the dishes? Okay. Alright, so I'm finally having something that is actually worth eating, other than boring pasta. So hooray me.
That was painful.
Just watching Electro Boom.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and discharge. Ow! Absolutely useless. I'm gonna touch the door. Ouch! Charge my body first, and then let go, and then touch the ground. Hate surprises. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4. What the hell? 1, 2.
Hey everyone, ignore me being shirtless, but I am going to start pressure washing. If you can see right here, I've already got the boots ready. Now all I have to do is just pressure wash this place. It doesn't look like it's dirty, but to my own eyes, my own OCD functioning eyes, they are dirty. So I'm gonna start right now. It's not strong enough. So thank you for enjoying today's vlog. I hope it wasn't I'm sorry it wasn't that much, but it was all I could do for those 2 days. So thank you for watching, and my face is so bright. Let me just step away from the light. Still bright, still too bright. There we go. And thank you for watching. Bye.